Greetings everyone, Joseph James here of SchoolTrade.com. It's May 4th, 2010, and here's your easy money trade of the day. Now guys, here's how it works. It's real simple. Guys, there is lots of opportunities each day to earn a great income. In fact, most of the time, a brand new trader will get overwhelmed by all of these different ways of making money. Guys, it doesn't need to be that difficult. Focus on the simple patterns that don't require a lot of work. They don't require a lot of money invested in your account, and they certainly don't require a lot of time to learn. All right, guys, so skip all the complicated stuff out there. All you part-time traders, all you new traders can succeed easily with these simple patterns. Now, we call them the easy money patterns because if your goal is something relatively small each day, you can easily make the money you need to be successful. Now, of course, as an advanced member, we're going to train you guys on all of these easy money patterns, so come out and join us as an advanced member, and you can start making this money right along with us every day in the room. Now, of course, we call these every day live in our trade room, right? This trade was taken live in the room. Okay, we have, of course, hundreds of people that trade along with us every day that make their money right along with us. So in the trade room, you're not going to be alone. You'll be here with us, right? The rest of our community of members and the rest of our educators helping you take these trades every day. Now, today's easy money trade, again, today on the 4th of May, right, 5/4/2010, this is on the gold futures. Now, the gold futures is one of my favorite markets. It only ticks at $10 per tick, which makes it easy to get involved as a new trader, right? $10 per tick is not going to tear your head apart, okay, so it's not going to be too risky. It is a little bit higher margin than the euro or the Russell or the S&P. Gold and crude oil are going to require $1,000 USD margin. Now, margin, right, is not a spending money, right? You're simply putting that money into your account. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so $1,000 margin is going to stay in your account. So if you invested $1,000, okay, on this move today, let's talk about this, right? This is a breaker pattern, and the trade was taken to the short side. So we call it a breaker short. Now, if your daily goal today was $100, $300, $500, $700, guys, this is how easy it is to earn that income. This is one trade. We were in this trade for probably 45 seconds, and you can, of course, easily make your entire daily goal on this one trade. Now, I traded this today on 4 lots, right, 4 contracts, but if you only had one contract, it gave us a 10-tick move, right? We got in here short from 82, and of course, it took us all the way down to 81. It took us down to 80.5, about a 15-tick move. But let's just say it only gave us 10 ticks. So if you only made 10 ticks on this move, which again, it did a lot more than that, but if you only got 10 ticks out of this, if you got in late and you exited early, all right, just make sure, look at the graph on the left. Obviously, if you had $100, right, if your goal was $100, if you had one contract, right, all you need is $1,000 in your account, and you can trade one contract, you would have made a 10% return in your account today, right? A 10% return in your account with one trade, right? How many stockbrokers out there give you 10% returns, right? How many CDs out there give you 10% returns? How many give you 10% returns in 45 seconds, right? Day trading with us guys in the room is unlike any other opportunity to make money. Now, if you had a larger account, maybe you had $3,000 in your account. If you had $3K in your account, you could trade with 3 contracts, you would have made $300. All right, what if you had 5 contracts? What if you had $5,000 in your account? Still not a very large account. Remember guys, when it comes to stocks, you need $25,000 in your account for stocks. This is futures. So we don't need all that. We have much more leverage. So all I need is $5,000. I could have made 10% of that today. So as you can see guys, depending on how much money you want to make, depending on how much you have in your account, you could have easily, within about less than a minute this morning, made 10% return on that account with one very simple breaker pattern. Now again, the breaker pattern is a very simple pattern, and let's look at it a little bit closer here. The breaker pattern is going to be a move down, followed by a retracement off that low, and then a break through that low. Okay, so the breaker pattern is a real simple pattern, right? You can see it. It breaks down, it bounces off that swing low level, and then it breaks below that swing low. All right, guys, now we're going to show you all how to use the breaker pattern to the short side, to the long side. We're going to show you guys how to trade the breaker pattern on gold, how to trade it on crude oil, how to trade it on the Russell, on the S&P, on the mini Dow. You can trade the euro, the pound, the yen, the CAD, the Swissy. Guys, our universal methodology makes it very easy to not only make easy money, but on any market that's moving. Right? Anybody out there ever wondered why you sit and wait all day long, right, about the S&P? Guys, if the S&P is not moving, move to the euro. If the euro's not moving, we can go to the crude oil. It doesn't matter, guys. The same patterns work on any different market. So if you go out and you invest in education that only works on one market, what happens if that market doesn't move today? You're stuck. Our universal pattern means no matter what's going on today, you will always be able to find a market that's moving. And finding a moving market means you're going to find your profit today. So guys, remember, easy money trades. You want to make $100, $500, $1,000, guys, one trade, and we'll show you guys how to structure your account to make sure you guys are hitting those daily goals. Have any questions? If you guys have any questions, don't forget, post those questions on our blog. Right, of course, on our blog, you'll see a search box there in the upper right of the blog, guys. Now, below this video, you'll see a link for the blog. Click on that link. That will take you guys to the blog. Use that search box to search for any other easy money trades. Just search in easy money there. Hit the search box. That'll show you guys all the other easy money trade videos we've done. You can also learn about our patterns there. And don't forget, guys, the advanced course, right? The advanced course, we're going to show you guys exactly how to execute these easy money trades along with us in our live trade room. So come out and join us tomorrow morning, 7:45 a.m. We open it up. We do webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And of course, the beginner's course shows all of our setups and our entry rules. If you guys have any questions, guys, sales@swifttrade.com, and they'll get you guys all set up. We're also on Skype. Don't forget about that. My name is Joseph. Call me JJ. Call me Joe. Hope you guys enjoyed the easy money trade of the day here. We got more where that came from. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye for now.